Hello everyone, welcome to Kallada Academy, and today we'll be discussing on how to open a gig in Fiverr. So I'm sure you all might be having an account in Fiverr. So I've logged into my Fiverr account, as you can see out here. What do I do is that I go to this particular gig section. Once I click onto this, I'll be having this particular tab out here, create a new gig. I click onto this option. Fine. So this is the first interface that we get. We have to be completing all these steps that are being given out here. We start off with the gig title. So I will is the factory setting out here. I have to be writing the details that I want to have for this particular gig. So specifically, I can type in something like, I'll be writing articles that will rank in Google. So you can just keep it at this, or you can keep it Google SERP. It's perfect itself. Anything, the maximum words, maximum characters is 80, but the timeline till I'm getting just perfect, it's fine for me. So keeping it crisp is better. Keeping the title crisp is always better for me in Fiverr. Okay, so I'll just choose a category. Translation. Here is a subcategory. I can have article and blog posts. Here is language. Language, I can keep it as English. Second part is topics. Topics can be two. It has been asked, so I can keep it as general as well as something like fitness. Next is tone. Tone, I can always, like, we should be having it as conversational, which is like in demand. Coming to the article type, I can focus on informational, I can focus on news as well as instructional or how-tos. Okay, so we have completed on these 4 different metadata sections out here. We can have sections. Article writing, blog post, blog writing, article rewriter, have blog writer. So we can have maximum of 5 tags. So it's fine with me. I'll save and continue. Okay, fine. We are heading into the pricing tab out here. So we have 3 different options to keep our packages. So we can keep something like basic, standard, and premium. So I'll keep it as silver, gold, and platinum. For silver, I can write it as 650 words. For standard, I can have 1000 words. For premium, it will be 2500 words. Next is delivery time. I'll be keeping it as 1 day, delivery time 2 days, and delivery time 3 days. Okay. revisions, I will be keeping it unlimited itself, because in the startup phase, we should be keeping it as unlimited, because this will be helping me to reach out to more number of clients. So this is unlimited. Fine. So you have topic research and rest of the part. If you want to include, you can do that. We can keep it the pricing as something like $5. Here we can have it anything like 7, and here 9. So this is like up to you. You can keep it accordingly. So okay, so this has been kept at 10. It's working or not. 8. Okay, so it has become 10. So I can keep it as, so 15 is the basic one. So will be fine. Additional words, basic standard, it's fine with me. I'll save out here. Okay, I'll be needing additional revision. Need additional topic. I'll just uncheck this for the time being. If you want to add on, you can always add on these additional features. Okay. Save here and continue. Okay, so here I have to add a description of what I want to propose. So I've kept a pointer out here. Paste this description. English has to be perfect. We are into content writing, article writing. These steps have to be taken care of. Next is we can have an additional FAQ added. So I'll just add on something else, or so I have a question. Yeah, so we can ask for a description of the project that I'm handling, or rather we can skip this. Okay, yeah, so as I've given the description, it's fine if we can skip this right now. Okay, so we have a requirement pointer on which we have to be adding a question. So we can keep this question out here. So I'll keep it as free text. Okay, I'll save this and continue. Okay, so I've come to the gallery section where you can add on any kind of like images, videos, or documents which is there, which always will be needed for you if you want to have, catch hold of good, strong clients, paying clients. So you have to be adding good quality stuff out here. So I'll just add on image for demo purpose. Let's find it out. We need an image of 550 pixel into 370 pixels. So we have to be keeping posting this particular content according to the pixel dimensions that have been asked out here, 550 into 370. So anything greater than that will not be accepted. So I'll save this and continue. Fine. So we are almost there, and we require to attempt English skill test out here. Fine. So as we are into article writing, this is a mandatory pointer which we need to be filling up, else we won't be able to be making this gig. So here we'll be entering the name, country will be India itself. Okay, state can be West Bengal. Citizen of India, it's yes. Yes, you have to be entering the PAN number. whether you are currently in the tax category or not. It will be taxable itself. You save the change and you move on. Fine. So basically the thing that is required for you is to take this mandatory test out here. So I'll just get on with this test option. I'll show you the requirements that are there. Yeah. So this is the test, US English based skills test, which you have to be appearing. This is the syllabus. You have conjunction, pronouns, all the set of English language stuff that is specifically required. You have a duration of 40 minutes and questions is also 40 numbers. So these are the instructions that have been given out here. You have to be reading this part, which is like very much important. There is a 1 day waiting period between the test retake. So by chance you flunk in one scenario, you have to be getting a 1 day waiting period. Fine. So you can take the test twice in 3 months time window. So basically you have to be cracking this test in a short, else specifically you have to be opening up different accounts, then only you'll be able to crack on this part. Fine, because you do not have that much waiting time for this. So thank you very much. I hope you found this video, this particular tutorial helpful for you, and I'll catch up with you in our next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.